Hello, my name is Dale Levesque from DM Levesque CAD Solutions, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I thought I'd start off with something quite simple, and that is how to use dynamic blocks to create a border sheet. The border sheet is customizable in that you can modify values with use of an attribute-laden block. That stuff's pretty straightforward. When people want to get started using dynamic blocks, the first thing they usually see is an architectural interior door that can flip both sides of the wall, modify its width based on the door, and flip left-hand swing or right-hand swing, which is a great use of a dynamic blocks, but I thought I'd give an alternate example for how you could use dynamic blocks. This is my border sheet, and sometimes my drawing name is relatively short. Edit it, I can just say, well, it's part 356. That's terrific. But sometimes that information has to be longer. So if it's got to do with the drawing title, you can put it over here. But if it's actually part of the drawing name, you want to put it in the drawing name area. So I've created this dynamic block so that I can select this little grip and change it to a double line drawing name. Now we've got a top line and bottom line. Go ahead and change that. The top line, part 1, 2, 4, 6, J, B. And the bottom line might read A, B, C, manufacturer. And maybe my client. Okay? Now, there are other occasions where I might not want to have my logo displayed in my border sheet. This may be because I'm doing just a one-off something and it's not related to my business, or any other reasons. For that, I've got another one that is no logo, single line drawing name. So what this does is it removes the logo and then moves the text over the single line text so that I can use more area that is made free by removing the logo. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and check in next time and we'll show you how to go ahead and create this.